What if I told you that some cars are built so well you could hand them down to your grandkids after the apocalypse? These 7 car brands have stood the test of time, tough roads, and even tougher drivers. Backed by thousands of owners and consumer reports themselves, these aren't just reliable, they're battle-tested. Whether you're buying your first ride or your last, these are the brands that won't let you down. Let's dive into the 7 most reliable car brands for 2025 and beyond. Toyota. First up is Toyota, the gold standard of reliability. Toyota has earned its crown as the most reliable automaker on the planet. Known for consistency, affordability, and bulletproof engineering, it's the go-to brand for anyone who wants peace of mind. From sedans to hybrids to pickups, Toyota covers it all. Their reputation wasn't built overnight, it's been decades in the making. Toyota engines are conservative, but that's why they last. You won't win many drag races, but you'll cruise past repair shops for years. The hybrid systems are industry-leading and require minimal maintenance. Driving dynamics are safe, predictable, and smooth. Toyota's recent redesigns are sharper and more aggressive than ever before. Vehicles like the Corolla and RAV4 now look as good as they drive. Clean lines and bold grills give the cars a confident, modern vibe. They're designed to blend in and last forever doing it. Inside, it's function over flash. Everything is intuitive and well-built, with just enough tech to feel current without being overwhelming. The seats are comfortable and materials are durable, even after years of wear. You don't get luxury, but you do get peace of mind in every panel and switch. With low ownership costs, high resale value, and legendary durability, Toyota doesn't just build cars, they build lifelines. If you only ever buy one car in your life, make it a Toyota. But what if you want that same dependability with high-end features? Lexus. That's where Lexus comes in, where luxury meets longevity. Lexus is what happens when luxury and long-term value meet in the perfect middle. It offers the comfort and silence of a premium car, backed by the mechanics of a Toyota. It's one of the few luxury brands where you're not just buying a badge, you're buying peace of mind. Owners routinely report 200,000 plus miles without major issues. Refined, smooth, and quietly powerful, Lexus hybrid systems are among the best in the industry, and even their V6 engines run forever. They're not built for speed thrills, they're built for refined excellence. Everything feels effortless behind the wheel. On the outside, the bold but elegant look of Lexus stands out with its signature spindle grille and clean LED lighting. Models like the RX and NX are sculpted to impress without screaming for attention. Even older models still look stylish years later. Paint finishes are high quality and resist chips and fading over time. Inside, craftsmanship is the theme. Soft touch materials, rich leather, and rock-solid construction make every drive a pleasure. Tech is intuitive, with minimal lag and long update cycles. These cabins are built to look good even after a decade. At the end of the day, you're essentially buying a luxury Toyota, which means minimal problems with maximum comfort. Lexus is luxury you can actually live with and keep. Next up, a brand that's criminally underrated, Mazda. Mazda has quietly become one of the most reliable and stylish brands on the road. It delivers premium looks and great performance without luxury pricing or maintenance headaches. It's the hidden gem for drivers who want both fun and function. Few brands offer such a balanced package. Mazda's Skyactiv technology is all about optimizing performance without sacrificing fuel economy. Engines are peppy, responsive, and built to endure. Handling is tight and sporty, making even base models fun to drive. It's a driver's car with a commuter's reliability. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy emphasizes fluid lines and minimalist elegance. Cars like the CX-5 and Mazda 3 look like they cost thousands more than they do. There's no unnecessary flash, just clean, confident design. They age gracefully and stay stylish well into the future. Step inside, and Mazda feels like a premium brand. Cabins are minimal but upscale, with excellent fit and finish. Everything you touch feels solid, and even the infotainment systems are clean and simple. They avoid gimmicks and focus on quality that lasts. Stylish, reliable, and surprisingly affordable, Mazda proves you don't need to spend big to get a great ride that lasts. Now, let's head into all-weather territory with a rugged legend, Subaru. Subaru is the go-to brand for people who live off the beaten path. From snowstorms to camping trips, their cars are engineered for real-world toughness. Known for symmetrical all-wheel drive and long-lasting engines, these are vehicles made to endure. If you're outdoorsy or just like being prepared, Subaru delivers. Every Subaru except the BRZ comes standard with AWD, giving you traction no matter the weather. Boxer engines keep the center of gravity low, improving handling and control. They're not sporty, but they're trustworthy in every condition. Subarus are made to keep going, no matter what nature throws at them. Design-wise, Subarus wear their purpose proudly. You get tall ride heights, roof rails, cladding, and a rugged stance. They're not flashy, but they look ready for action, and they are. Updates keep the look fresh without losing that outdoorsy vibe. Inside, practicality is king. Cabins are spacious and durable, with easy-to-clean materials that hold up to mud, pets, and kids. Tech is solid and user-friendly, with plenty of storage throughout. They're comfortable without being luxurious, made to be used, not babied. If you want a car that's as adventurous and reliable as you are, Subaru's got you. It's the brand you buy when you're planning for everything, even the unexpected. Honda. Let's keep going with a name you've definitely heard before. Honda, the everyday hero that never quits. Honda is the brand your mechanic secretly loves because it means fewer repairs. Known for legendary engines and low-cost ownership, Hondas are built to just keep going. Whether it's a Civic Accord or CR-V, you're almost guaranteed to hit 200,000 miles or more. It's the default pick for smart, no-drama car ownership. Honda engines are smooth, efficient, and incredibly durable. Transmission tuning has improved in recent years, and turbocharged options bring more punch. The handling always feels composed and responsive, and even base models deliver a surprisingly rewarding driving experience. Design-wise, Hondas carry a quiet confidence. The new Civic, CR-V, and Pilot have sharp edges and a more mature, modern look. They're not flashy, but they age well, growing more handsome the longer you own them. Inside, you get clean dashboards, intuitive controls, and practical layouts. The materials aren't luxurious, but they're well chosen and built to last. Tech is improving with every new generation, striking a good balance between function and simplicity. At the end of the day, Honda delivers everything you need and nothing you don't. It's the no-brainer of the automotive world. Reliable, fuel-efficient, and built to last. But what if you want a little more style and performance without losing that reliability? Say hello to Acura. Acura gives you upscale features with Honda's unbeatable reliability under the hood. If you want a luxury badge that doesn't demand constant repairs, Acura is your answer. It may not be the flashiest premium brand, but it's one of the smartest. Think of it as Lexus's sharp, sporty cousin. Acura combines Honda's proven powertrains with added refinement and a sportier edge. The AWD system on models like the MDX offers incredible grip and control. Engines like the 3.5 liters V6 are smooth, responsive, and long-lasting. You get great performance without the mechanical drama. Outside, Acura's design language has grown sharper and more aggressive. Jewel-eye headlights, strong body lines, and clean edges give the lineup a premium yet athletic presence. From the TLX to the RDX, these cars look fast even when parked. Inside, Acura cabins are modern, clean, and comfortable. You'll find soft-touch materials, digital dashboards, and intuitive tech in nearly every model. It's not ultra-luxury, but it nails that just right balance of style and substance. With Acura, you get performance, comfort, and Honda-level reliability without breaking the bank. It's one of the smartest premium buys you can make. And finally, a true comeback king, Hyundai. Once mocked for cheap quality, Hyundai has flipped the script big time. Today, it's a top-tier name for reliability, design, and value. The brand's quality has skyrocketed, and that industry-best 10-year powertrain warranty is hard to ignore. Hyundai is no longer the underdog. It's the overachiever. Hyundai powertrains are now smoother, stronger, and more efficient than ever. Whether it's the Santa Fe, Tucson, or Elantra, the performance is refined and consistent. Hybrid and electric options? Among the best in class. The entire driving experience feels mature and composed. On the design front, Hyundai is killing it. Sharp angles, bold lighting, and futuristic touches give their vehicles real presence on the road. The styling now rivals luxury brands in curb appeal. Inside, Hyundai has leveled up in a big way. Cabins feel more expensive than they are, with soft materials, sleek layouts, and tech-forward features. Digital dashboards and widescreens are now common, giving even entry-level trims a premium vibe. It's high-tech without being overwhelming. Hyundai is now delivering high-quality, modern design and rock-solid warranties all in one package. It's not just good, it's one of the smartest value plays of the decade. So what do the experts say about all this? Let's bring in the data. Consumer Reports consistently ranks these 7 brands at the top of their reliability charts. Toyota and Lexus are almost always in the top 3, thanks to their bulletproof engineering and long-term consistency. Mazda and Honda regularly outperform most competitors in both predicted and actual long-term reliability. Subaru and Acura follow close behind, praised for their mechanical dependability and safety-first approach. Hyundai has rapidly climbed the ranks in recent years, with newer models earning high marks for build quality, features, and tech. These aren't just internet opinions. They're backed by thousands of owner reports, repair records, and expert testing. If you're buying from this list, you're already ahead of the curve. In a world full of car brands making big promises, these 7 actually deliver. They're not just reliable, they're practically immortal. So, before you buy anything in 2025 or 2026, make sure it's a brand that can go the distance. Hit that like button if you found your next car on this list. Subscribe for more no-fluff reviews, and drop your pick in the comments. Which brand do you trust to survive the end of the world?